connecting this negative to the positive, and then it's become one wire for positive and one negative for your controller. So now I'll be taking this off and then connecting the two in parallel. So I'll take this off. So I use this Y connector and connect it negative there of this panel and negative of this panel. So this becomes a negative, and positive this panel and the positive of panel 2, it becomes a positive. So we have a negative and a positive, okay, and then there it is going into this. So negative is going to negative. So this line is going inside the workshop, will be connected to the controller, and this is positive. This is a positive. So now we have two panels connected in parallel. One is positive, one is negative, and this will be fed into the control system inside here. So I can show you. This is the hole it's going through. So now we'll make sure they are not connecting to each other, otherwise they will blow the panels, diodes inside. So I put this in first, and this, okay, slowly second. Pause the line. Pause the line. So now I'm connecting a positive to the controller, power controller, right in, and I'm locking it close. Okay, and then I do this negative. Pause to the controller. So now this is going to the battery. So this is going to the battery. So I will be connecting this to the battery, or I'll take this off and I'll put wire to the battery. Okay. The controller is connected to the battery, negative and the positive. Okay, so this is positive and this blue is negative. Now we come to see, as you can see there, the panels already start producing power into the battery. Okay, and then from this is inverter, from inverter I'm putting it on the battery. This is battery. battery, negative to negative, and then positive to positive. So now we have inverter on. So we got 12 volts going in, as you can see from the battery. 10 volt going in, 12 volts going in, and 240 volts coming out. You see, I actually put the wire earlier on. So I connected the power. This is actually power from the inverter, and this is my light. So I should have light coming from the inverter. So I'm getting all the electricity now in this plug socket into this plug, and then this is the light. I'll switch on the light. It should come on, yes. So now I have the light coming out of the inverter. So this is 12 volts going in, 240 volts coming out, and this wire leading into this socket, and then from there I have this light. Now I can have the radio on as well.
It sounds good to me.
Okay.
Is this one of the advantages of the show from your kitchen, presumably, Phil, is that in...
Okay, so this is about 500 watts altogether, because of a simple the inverter is about 1k. It handles the power, but I only have connected just only two things, the light and the radio, and I can connect a fan or my cutting tools or something one by one. But in the future, when I need to go up to a 1 kilowatt or 2-3 kilowatt, I will be replacing all these gadgets and into a higher level of power. Okay, I hope you like the video, and I hope I get the feedback from you. Thank you very much.